All right, world changers, today we're going to learn about slope. The definition of slope is rise over run. And you see the formula is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So you see here, I have our coordinate here, we have our run and rise. Run is going along the x-axis and rise is the y-axis. So let's go ahead and plot this. So the first one here is -5, -4, -5, -4. And so this is our first one we're going to plot from going from left to right. So this is going to be x1, y1. On this side, we have our next plot, which is -2, 2, -2, 2. And so this is going to be our x2, y2. And looking at a formula, rise over run is going to be y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So let's go ahead and plug those in. I'm going to choose a different color. And let's go ahead and do our y2. y2 is here, which is 2 minus, and then look at our y1, which is -4. So here, it is very helpful if you already have an understanding of adding and subtracting integers, which are negative and positive numbers. So if that's kind of, oh, I don't know how to do that part. Again, this is from a request from the 7th grader, so hopefully you have an understanding of positive and negative integers. So that's a 4 right here. And over x2 minus x1. x2 is right here, is -2 minus x1, which is -5. All right, and after we get our answer, we're going to see if we can reduce, simplification, or divide. So we have 2 minus a 4, so we lost our negative. So that actually means we gain it back. So 2 plus 4 is 6. Here we have -2 minus -5, so we lost the loss. So that's actually gaining it back. So -2 plus 5. When you're adding two numbers with two different signs, you subtract, and the sign of the bigger number wins. So we do 5 minus 2, which is 3. 5 is bigger and it's positive, so we keep that positive. So now we have 6 over 3, or 6 divided by 3, which would give you 2. And that is our slope. Hopefully that helps out. Thank you for that request, Ryan. If you have any other requests, let me know. If I don't know how to do it, I'll find out. Math is universal. Math is every place. Sometimes we kind of continue too much on a test, and we shove it in and we dump it out on a test and we move on, and we kind of lose what math should be about. Math is very important, and you can see it everywhere. Hopefully you see it here also and in your world. All right, thanks.